Alright guys, doing a bunch of cold starts today on basically everything that's in the garage, so here we can start with SS16, and has been run since last night. Really hasn't been run since yesterday morning. I just had to bring it in last night. There we go. Okay, got that. Get the 19.9. Put everything shit in the back here. Poor 19.9. Needs some TLC. Needs it pretty bad. Yeah, there's the first pop. It always does. And let's see if it runs now. Yeah, it did this yesterday too. It's strange. It doesn't want to start as easy as it used to. Oh. Come on. Weird, right? Taking that to 4-H on Tuesday so I can figure out what the bugs are in that. Might as well start the generator. Even though they've already friggin' ran it enough, right? Friggin' rights. Okay. Like this little handle thingy. Let's see how well this starts. Is the fuel on? Yeah, fuel's on, switch is on, choke's on. It does. Let me just leave that there. That has been run since Saturday morning. Today's Monday. Do a cold start of the cart. That always fires up real good. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm just kind of doing some cleaning and stuff today, and I'm gonna have to sweep all this shit out. Snowblower that we really didn't use at all, because these big snowblowers can't handle wet snow. This one always starts. Choke on, full throttle. Prime it a bunch of times. Good start first pull. Or not. Come on. Just needs more prime. What the frig? You guys remember seeing this cold start a while ago? Does it have gas in it? It's got gas. Is the fuel shut off? Oh. No, fuel's on. I'm gonna try setting the throttle a little bit lower. Come on. runs. Ooh, mini snowblower. Shit, that hasn't been running in a long time. So much stuff, so little time. Takes a Indac key. This probably, if this doesn't have fuel in it, I'm not even going to bother trying to start it. Oh, and look at that. Filled to the top with fuel. Guess I'm going to try and start it. Choke it. Yeah, the primer bulb wore off. Still kind of works a little bit. Whatever. This is probably a two-handed ordeal. That's what she said. Is that hot? There you go, right on top of the cooling fin thing on the snowblower. Ready to run. Come on, snowblower. Maybe it doesn't want choke. Let's choke. Junk. Junk. Screw it. So it's going to be that guy. He's the only one that doesn't start. Frickin' A. Been sitting around doing nothing all day. Friggin' tired now from that little piece of shit. It's a good snowblower, it's just a pain in the ass. I don't really like two-stroke motors that much. I'll just measuring tapes down here. This is the electric start for the big snowblower. Just an extension cord. This usually starts it pretty easily. Choke it. Get it turned on. Put it like this. Pretty sure that's a Kawasaki motor. I don't know. It's a 14 SB, whatever that means. 21-inch cut, I think. Maybe less. Now for the biggest piece of shit. The Honda. Friggin' wedged all this junk in here. Friggin' stupid winter storm in October. More two-strokes. Just what I want. Friggin' rights, I tell you. Now the Honda cold starts like shit. Prime it a little bit or do something. Usually that works a little bit. And then the trick is start it. And set the throttle to idle. gonna be using this to do some fall cleanup. I freaking put air in that tire. Look at this. Look at this shit. Always goes flat. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the tire, if it's the rim, or whatever. Friggin' chainsaw. Weed whacker. Stupid two-stroke engines. They have a purpose. They're just annoying as hell. Sound like friggin' ricers. On top of the 19.9 for this. Choke it. It's got fuel. Yeah, prime it a lot. Squeeze the throttle a little bit. Oh, almost had it. Prime it some more. It likes to run itself out of gas. Stupid two-stroke fuel lines. The recoil's starting to go bad on it. Great. Piece of junk. Give it like half that. I don't like two strokes. Honestly, piece of junk. Not gonna bother. Alright, so let's just do a quick recap here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 4-stroke motors, all started with minimal effort. And we got the 2 2-strokes won't run. Or that will run but won't stay running. So it's up to the Echo backpack leaf blower to salvage the reputation of the 2-stroke engine. This usually isn't terrible. Inside that carburetor. Sad. There's the primer, okay. I think up is choke. See how this is usually not bad. Typical. Choke off. Okay, so that's it for cold starts. SS16 started right up. GT199 kinda started right up. Generator kinda started right up. Big snowblower kinda started right up. Push mower started right up. Riding mower with a little help started right up. Piece of shit mini snowblower didn't start. Piece of shit weed whacker didn't start. leaf blower started pretty good. I still hate 2-stroke engines, but been meaning to do a cold start everything video for a while, and this is probably best look at everything that we own that you guys are going to get to see. So 3 tractors, push mower, weed whacker, leaf blower, 2 snow blowers, generator, and the always reliable wheel horse dump cart thing. Take it easy.